In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use Mask ID. That's right, Face ID will work underneath your face mask. This is iOS 14.3. This won't work on an older iOS 14 build for some odd reason. So Apple could be testing out the water. All right, so first things first, you will need to update to iOS 14.3. Now, currently is in the beta stages. I throw a link in the description to download the profile. Now, once you update, you take it to the settings. You go down to Face ID and passcode, type in your passcode, and you're presented with your Face ID options. Now you want to reset your Face ID, you want to clear it. Once you reset it, it's removed, it's cleared. Now you want to set up Face ID. You want to take your face mask, you want to fold it in half. Fold it in half like so, as you guys can see, and then you put it on halfway, just like so. Now ideally, I recommend taking a rubber band because that would be able to, have the mask on without it flopping all over the place. So let me get a rubber band, I'll be right back. Now, if you don't have a rubber band, it's okay. It's not mandatory to do. You can hold your mask, but it's recommended to have a rubber band. This is so silly, man. Apple, please make a Mask ID. You do it like this. So now everything is hands-free. It's a little bit more easier. And back to your iPhone, you gotta set it up. You wanna make sure you're into frame. Make sure your eyes aren't covered. You position yourself. Let me screen record this so you guys can see. Now, sometimes you gotta cheat the system. Okay, so it sees my Fed and you just scan it. Okay, and you just, now it's gonna say your face is, covered. So just remove any covering, but just continue to scan your face with your mask on like so. And you should be able to scan just like that. So make sure you scan that twice. And now here's the secret sauce. You want to go into set up an alternative appearance. So with that alternative appearance, you want to flip your mask around, have it the other way. Take the same rubber band. That's why I recommend a rubber band. So you have a free hand. And now since it's covered, you set up an alternative appearance. So once you set that up, you could be able to, scan your face, make sure it's into frame. And like I said, sometimes you're gonna have to cheat the system, maybe show your eyes a little bit and then put it back on. And then you just scan your face. Even if it says face covered, you should be good to go to scan. And make sure you gotta scan it twice. And, oh, I'm out of frame. Okay. Oh, I'm out of frame again. All right. Okay, second scan complete. And then once you do that, very simple, you take the rubber band off and you just put your face mask on. And once you put your face mask on, the secret is gonna happen. Now, really not a secret, but just the magic. So you put your face mask on. I don't know if you guys are gonna see this, but the screen recorder is not gonna work. My face mask is gonna work. So yeah, as you guys can see, the face is scanning perfectly, just like so. I can move my mask up a little bit. It just works. You guys can see this. Boop, there we go. We can do this all day. Boop, there we go. So yeah, Apple did it. Now I did test this out on my older iPhone 11 and that did not work. So you have to be on iOS 14.3 beta. So it's gonna be pretty interesting to see what Apple is gonna do. So another disclaimer, you can't have your mask all the way up like this. It's not gonna work at all. So you have that protection and you have the ability to unlock your iPhone. So let me show you guys a better view. All right, so here's a better view. So my face mask is on. Here's my iPhone. Let me look at it. Boom, just like that. We could do this all day, just like that. Move my mask up a little bit. Boom, just like that. Boom, just like that. Could do it, let me see. Now, if it's like this, it's just not gonna work. It's just not gonna work. But when you have it a little bit down, that's gonna work. And that's all you need. Now, let's say you wear a hat and a mask. Well, this still works. The answer is, hold on. Okay, so it's scanning my face. Let me look at it, boom, just like that. Oh, there you go. So this works 110%. Okay, let's try out a different mask. This is the standard mask that we all know and love. And here's my iPhone. When you look at it, boom, just like that. Let's try it again. Look at it. Oh. Yep, wait, hold on. Just unlocked. So if you put on a different mask, it will work. So I know the background kind of gets blurry, but yeah, it scans my face just fine. And just like that. So there you guys have it. That's how you use Mask ID. So yeah, so that's a little bypass. I highly encourage you guys to try it out, but you will need to be on that beta. It will not work. It will not work anything prior to that. So iOS 14.3 beta, it is not out yet, but it's just in beta. It's looking good. A lot of good features. Comment down below if you guys have any questions or concerns or need any help. So yeah, if you guys find this video helpful, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. Help me reach to 100,000 subscribers, and we're gonna grow together as a family. All right, guys, until next time, have a simple day. Peace.